Wish you all of you happy
Diwali.
this one only without any crackers and anything, only with diyas. Happy Diwali.
Wish you all of you happy Diwali. Thank you. Wish you the same. Come on. Happy Diwali at our Balaji residency. Okay, whatever may be, why we celebrate Diwali, are you know?
No, actually.
Come on. Let me discuss. Why we celebrate Diwali? After killing Ravana, Rama get back to Ayodhya. Nowadays the flights, helicopters, roads are there, na? When they came to Ayodhya, at that time, on that happy occasion, whatever may be, they like this diyas, they lit the diyas and welcome to Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. Are you got it? Because up to that Ayodhya was in the darkness. When Rama came with that lighting, they welcome to Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. Means that's one thing. Again, Lord Krishna, you know, na? Lord Krishna, 16,000, I think so. 16,000. Krishna story also there. Little bit confusion. Whatever may be, that's why we celebrate the Diwali. Again, 5 types of oils. With 5 types of oils, in the olden days, the diyas are lightning. With every weekdays and 15 days. Note that. Okay. To lightning these diyas, the mosquitoes will be far away from us with the smoke of these diyas. Ghee, till oil, mustard oil, 5 types of oil. Mustard oil, like that 5 types of oil. With that oils, if we lightning these diyas, then that will be good for us. Wish you happy Diwali to all. On that diya, Gugilum Sambrani, that droop will be, if we will expose that, the one type of lightning will become. That is actually crackers for in the olden days. That's all.